This is the 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 35F. We're going to give you a tour of the outside, then we'll tour the inside. I'll give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, and a build quality rating. Let's go. The Winnebago Adventurer is an anniversary model, 30th Anniversary Edition. It comes with the 7.3-liter Ford V8 that puts out 350 horsepower. They upgraded the headlights. They've added chrome mirrors to this edition. You have side view cameras. You even have a doggy window, and this is a gasser. We have 22.5-inch tires on aluminum wheels. We have an awning that stretches to your slide. As we pass the doorway, we come to their outdoor entertainment system, which is locked. They've added chrome handles to the doors for this edition. Here we have your propane and more storage. A lot more storage. And finally, we come to the Onan 5500 generator.
Now we are at the Florida RV SuperShow filming, so we don't have easy access to everything. Some of the doors are locked, but we will show you as much as we can.
Sorry about that. With the 30th Anniversary Edition, we get all chrome side mirrors. We get chrome luggage door handle, lighted chrome entry handle, the Wind Sleep Premium Serene Foam mattress, a steering stabilizer, sumo springs, full body paint, and a front grille upgrade, along with your Winegard 4G LTE Wi-Fi router. Look at this beautiful paint job.
John, they did a really nice job with this. I really like it.
Yeah, let's go to the other side. We have your wet bay. You have your filter, your TV inputs, water pump, black tank flush, your waste drains, and your freshwater intake is right here, along with a light and an outdoor shower. Your fuel. Your electric bay.
And your black tank.
Black waste tank flush inlet. But wait a minute.
So you have two.
You have two. That's interesting. And these doors are locked, but they're the other side of your storage. Again, storage, and your cutoff switch for your inverter. And storage, along with access to your hydraulic tank. The outside is very nice, but let's take a look at the inside. Yesterday got a little too crowded at the RV show for us to do the inside of this model. So you'll notice we have a wardrobe change, but let's take a look at the inside today. This is a nice cockpit. These seats are comfortable, and this Anniversary Edition has something special. These seats are actually heated. That is very nice, and they come with anniversary embroidered headrests. Here in the center, you have your Sony CarPlay screen, which also has your cameras on it. Your climate control and your auto leveling system is here, as well as plenty of USB and 12-volt power supplies.
Hey, John,
yeah.
There's one thing I see on this dash that I don't see in others, and that is the jacks down red light.
Oh, they have an indicator.
Right there. Yeah, you don't normally see that.
You don't. That is something different. That is a nice feature. I like that.
Not that you can go anywhere with your jacks down in most models, but still,
No.
It's nice to just go, oh, my jacks are down.
Right, a big red light in your face. That's nice.
Exactly. Well, let me see how the passenger seat is. So the seat is very, very comfortable. And the other thing that I like is this lifts right up, and I have a workstation here. Not too bad, John, and a cup holder. Okay, John, let me hand this back off to you.
To my left and right, we have storage compartments. And I really do like the Winnebago touches on the decorations. Above my head, a drop-down bunk. To my right, we have a large cabinet that's very deep. Next to the cabinet, we have the dinette.
Hey, John, before we do that, let me turn around just to give everybody
Oh,
a
yes.
view of this rig from the front so they can look straight back and see what we're seeing. Okay, John, you may continue. But, John, before you go to the dinette, let's take a look at the entranceway.
Oh, yes.
There's some cabinets there.
There are some cabinets here. This is where you access your breakers. And also here you have your cutoff switches for the coach.
I don't think you noticed this, but above the door,
Oh, I didn't notice this. There are small hooks here
yes.
and a Winnebago logo in the center. Here you have your satellite receiver system and you have your hookups for television. So you can put a television switch or a DVD player there. The dinette is large. This table is very large. And it can seat 4 people comfortably.
And John, I really like the light over the table. That is pretty cool.
It is nice.
And there's a lot of attention to details in things like the lighting and the handles to the cabinets.
Did you notice they have a small tray here? I'm not sure what you put here, condiments maybe, but it's a nice little touch on the end of your table.
So let's see what the storage looks like, John.
These are individual cabinets, not pass-through. They are lighted. You have accent lighting all the way down the slide.
I gotta say, this paint scheme is interesting.
Isn't it nice? This is so different, people. I mean, this is a deep gray. I'm not sure if it translates on the screen there. And the handles are sort of ivory with chrome. So it really pops.
It does pop. Hey folks, put down in the comments below what you think of the color scheme in this particular model. Okay, John, let's switch places and let's do this kitchen.
Before I do the kitchen, Sherry, if you're finding any benefit to our content, please subscribe, leave a like, and tell us what you like and dislike down in the comments below. They give you a cutting board instead of just one of those covers.
Winnebago thinks of everything. I just really love Winnebago products.
Yes, you do. And a drying rack.
And John, I may not be able to stop interrupting you during this video because
I see
there's
that.
just so much I love about Winnebago.
And this drying rack that you can roll out of the way, and a small tray inside your
That is
sink.
fantastic. Oh my goodness.
Also, you have a sprayer right here.
That is great, John. And then if you lift up this can you lift up the cutting board?
Yes, I can.
And I just want to show the depth of the sink here. Winnebago just nailed it.
It is very nice. This is a very heavy cutting board. It's very nice. As we move above the stove, we have a large cabinet here. It
Does that
passes
go all the way through?
Yes.
Okay,
It's
fantastic.
one big cabinet. Below this, we have this large storage
Oh my
area.
gosh, John, I could put so many appliances down there.
You could. That is very big. This is unique. This is a gasser, but it comes with an induction cooktop here and a gas, single burner gas.
For those of us who just can't get away from gas.
Yes. You have your convection microwave. And below that, we have 2 smaller drawers and then 1 deep drawer. Below the gas part, you have a huge drawer. This is just venting.
Okay. I know you may not notice this, but I know all the women watching are going to notice this.
What's that?
Look at that backsplash. That is so cute.
It is unique. That is very different. On to the refrigerator. This is a Whirlpool refrigerator.
We know about this chair. This is usually an option.
Right.
That I think somebody just kind of put in here, which I think is unfortunate because I think it takes up a lot of space and makes it look smaller. Let's
It
move that
does.
off to the side here so we can
Yeah.
let's put it over here by the kitchen.
Okay. We'll
So
move
we
it
can
over there for
continue our
now.
tour.
Now we're in the living space. I have to try out this. Now, these are powered and massage.
Oh, that's
that
so
feels
cool.
amazing. These are recliners.
That looks so comfortable. Is it as comfortable as it looks?
It is. It has the heat and massage. Let me turn off the massage. Oh, the massage has different levels.
Don't get too comfortable, John. Now, behind you, John, I'm going to point out the artwork in here, which I also like very much. And I like these. These aren't, they're not valances, but, well, they kind of are.
They're decorative.
They're decorative. I like them.
But they're nice. They're very nice.
I think they're much nicer than some of the valances you see in other units. It just makes sense, you know?
And you
it adds to it.
It's very nice. And you also notice this is a 4-section couch.
I did notice, John.
This is a very long couch.
Yes.
You can see a lot of people here.
I noticed.
Across from this beautiful couch, we have the television, some storage here, and access to controls.
Oh, that's interesting. They put it in behind a cabinet door.
It kind of hides it. I mean, you know, these control panels don't really go with the decor. So, below the TV, a place for all your electronics, and fireplace. Next to that, we have your half bath.
Let's go take a look at this half bath, John. This is very pretty.
They put a backsplash in there, Sherry.
They did. They put another backsplash in here, John, and they continued with the artwork in here.
See, I think you're starting to like Winnebago a little too much.
I really do love Winnebagos. I do. It's no secret, John.
It's no secret. Now, in the bedroom, we have a very small nightstand, but I see they give you a shelf down low with power outlets along the side there. Over the bed, we have these 2 deep cabinets. They don't pass through, and they're carpeted on the bottom. We have the wardrobes, but this wardrobe has your combo washer dryer. In the center, more storage. And you also have television hookups in the bottom.
And is that TV adjustable at all, John?
Let's
Is it
see.
just
No,
six?
it's fixed right there. Down here we have 6 large, deep drawers. They're not very long, no, but they go down pretty far.
Now, is this wardrobe the same?
No, this one does not have a washer dryer. It has hanging space.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about the washer and dryer already.
Yes,
That's
and it has
that's a nice size wardrobe.
yes.
Yeah.
And these are the same as all the other drawers. And back here, we have on the door a full-length mirror.
And John, did you notice that the color scheme in the bathroom changed again?
Did it?
Back to the color scheme of the kitchen.
That
For the
bathroom
cabinets.
was the same.
No, it changed from the bedroom, which is white, to that color.
Yes, the bedroom is white, and then it goes back to the
Yes.
kitchen. It matches the kitchen. You're right. And here we have the toilet area. We have the sink. I like this sink. I do like that. You have a large cabinet here with an adjustable shelf. Storage underneath.
And John, why don't you go hop in that shower?
I will do that. Oh my gosh. Sherry, I could run laps in here.
I don't know about that, John.
This is very roomy and it's very high.
Awesome, John.
This is nice. I like this. Next to the toilet, you also have a small shelf there. A tiny drawer and another cabinet.
Well, John, this has been a really good tour.
Yes, it has.
And now, it's time for your pet peeve, my favorite feature, and a build quality rating.
Yes.
Do you have any pet peeves on this unit?
See, this is the problem with Winnebago. They're upsetting me because I have a hard time
They
finding
did such
fault.
a good job.
The
Oh my
only
gosh.
thing I can complain about, I thought, was the lack of end tables, but they put convenient shelves on that flip up, and you can flip them out of the way when you're done with them. So I can't even complain about that.
No pet peeve.
I can't find one.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to say that my favorite feature is the decor in here. When I first walked in, I was kind of like, why are there multiple colors? But it just blends so nicely. You don't have that plain white everywhere. It just gives it that extra pop, you know? And it just such attention to detail and everything, from the backsplashes to the handles to the colors to everything. It's just... And then this model has a lot of special touches because it is the Anniversary Edition.
It is. It's
like,
the 30th
with
anniversary.
the bed, and so you do have a lot of upgrades, but it's really, really cool.
Yeah.
What about our build quality rating?
Another tough one, because
I don't think so. I think this is a pretty easy one. I don't know where you're getting tough from.
well,
This
it's
is
hard to-
simple.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
John,
Why?
there is nothing wrong with this unit. What is so hard?
It's Winnebago.
Did you find anything?
No.
That settles it. Folks, this is a 10 out of 10.
Oh my gosh.
You know it is.
You know it
You
is.
know it is.
I know.
There's nothing wrong with it.
There isn't. I
Okay.
can't fault Winnebago.
All right,
Winnebago's great.
folks. 10 out of 10, yet again, for Winnebago. We're done with this unit and on to the next one. Check out some more RV tours right over there.